Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So guys, we have a new software update available for Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. First of all, it is related to the improvement of security, which is really important for the device, and there are some other improvements are also made. So first of all, we will go and update the software, and then we will see what other things included in this update. So we will go into the settings. Okay, so once you go into the settings, you have to scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down all the way down, you will see an option over here which is called software update. So you have to just select it. So once you select it, the very first option over here, it says download and install. Okay, so I will select this one, and then you can see the software is available. So we just select this download option. It will take a few minutes for the completion. So you will see here the option available here now is install now option. So I just selected install now, and then it will start doing the update. So guys, software update has been done successfully. So we will see what's new in this update. So the very first thing, as I already mentioned, is related to the security of a device. It has been improved. Then we also have the device stability improvement. So they fix some bugs, and then we have new and enhanced features, and then further improvement to performance. If you want to have a look and you want to know more about this update, you can just simply click on this link, and it will take you to the Samsung official website, where you will have all the information related to this update, related to your device, like for example build number, the version, everything is included there. So now we will go back, and then we will see the performance of the tablet. So if we try to scroll down, you can see everything is pretty smooth and faster. You will see the improvement once you done with your update. So for example, if I want to open some app, for example like Samsung Notes, so you can see everything is going pretty smooth. If I try to open in the multitasking feature, for example I open the internet over here, you can see everything is going pretty smooth. Okay, so I can scroll down, I can open new notes, and then for example if I want to put some image into my notes, I can simply do it. So everything has been going very well. This is all about this software update. So I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.